Daddy, you'll love this, Daddy. Watch this. This is these not very hard ice will be our target. See, this is what we will do. That, then it will get, and then it will spread it down into the water. Look, Daddy, look. Hey, I know her. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey, Daddy, let's make a Father Christmas land. Daddy. Father Christmas comes to life. Daddy, look what I found.
What is it?
It's something from above the building thing. Maybe I can squeak. Hey!
Oh, not on my head.
It's not the snow you haven't made! Lovely.
Are you taking snow from the snowman?
Yeah. No! He's really... what isn't this thing? Hopefully don't! Don't you dare! No, Philly! Philly! Daddy, I'm not going to do something. Oh!
Oh.
I'm gonna get that snowman. I found some ice. Underneath the ice that's not that hard to break. Look, and I found something frozen in it.
What's in there?
Some of our toys.
Oh, don't put your hand in there, it'll get wet. You'll get really cold if you put your glove in there because it'll get wet and your hand will get wet. You won't like it after a minute, I promise.
Right. No, Philly. A snowman that is. No. Let's move. Let's move. Let's the blue one. Hurry back there on the fight, Daddy. This could be one of the snowman's legs, couldn't it?
Hmm. Finny? Finny?
Hey, Daddy! Is that your video camera? Is that your video camera, Daddy? Your video camera! You wanted to get our storage! Daddy, maybe we could make a snow film with that!
Yeah, what do you want to do?
We could do a snowball fight film with it.
Go on then, you have a snowball fight with Finny.
Okay, everyone. We're gonna make a snow one. Daddy, watch. Look at it, black. Okay, we're gonna make some ice with it with some leaves. You can't do it with me. Let's try something else. Over here. all of you. Over here. Let's get another one here. Ah, these could be yellow. Buddha, bang! Whoa. Take it easy now. No. The snowman will try. So, I've decided to kick it to get the snow. Make a mountain out of snow. Let's make a bang! Look at her body. This is not. It's very tall, and it looks like it isn't cold. It is.
What's the matter? You getting cold?